just right before the 2020 season opener, Youth Day, one of my most favorite days because my baby girl last several years has been coming with me. We've been scouting pretty heavy so far, different parts of the farm, seeing several good 8 points. Nothing really more than an 8, but I've got several good 8s on camera. This particular spot where I'm standing right now, gonna scout this evening. Unfortunately, they've brush hogged it. Had been seeing a super great buck right there, a really big 8 point, and since they've brush hogged it, I've not seen him. But there's 2 other 8s that I'm seeing in there. Both of them are pretty close to the same size. Both of them I've seen several times. I would absolutely let my daughter shoot either one of them. So just trying to keep tabs on them, and hopefully we'll see the massive 8 again. But either way, you know, we're here at the end of the week. Openers tomorrow, so we should hopefully have one pinned down at least pretty good. Nothing's ever guaranteed with hunting, of course, but we got Saturday and Sunday to get it done, morning and evening both days, so I think she's got a pretty good chance. I'm excited. 2020 Youth Day finally here. Super pumped. Go with my baby girl again. I'll try to get us another one. We've got several good ones that we've been watching, but last night we went over looking for them and couldn't find them. So, but they've been pretty consistent. A couple different ones, so high hopes. But at least glad my baby girl's getting out and going with me. The deer's just the added bonus. So we're fixing some coffee, gathering our final items, and gonna give it a try. Oh, you cracked him, baby.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yay.
Yes. Oh, the footage was not great, man. They caught us off guard. There's another one standing up top.
I see you.
That's another one of the 8s.
So,
Oh, man. Oh, you cracked him, baby. He's down. You cracked him. He is down. That's a good 8, babe. I'm pretty sure that was one of the better 8s. I mean, we'll see. We won't know till we get up there. I didn't tell you, but the reason that I started sneaking forward a second ago, when I was standing up and glassing, they were right there. They were right in front of us. The fog has been so thick this morning. We just couldn't see nothing, and we snuck in as tight as we felt like we should. And they've ended up moving right on top of us. And they got so close to us that when we started sneaking a little bit after I spotted that one, there goes a doe. She's wondering what in the world's going on.
up on the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh no, that's that little spike. Yeah. But after I stood up and I spotted them right there, and man, the bigger one was right here beside of us. So she got set up and she had to make a quick shot. I don't know how great that film was just because of how that happened, but she dropped him. She nailed him. He's down right up here. So let's go look at him. I'm super pumped. I see horn right here. I see horn. Right there. Alright, walk straight up, babe. Oh yeah. So awesome. Yeah. Heck yeah, get over and grab him, babe. You be the one to lay hands on him. Here you go. Let's see what we got. Oh, heck yeah. Get down there. Get down there with him. That I think is the one that I've been eyeballing for you. That's been hanging with that spike. Good buck, babe. That's a great buck. So she did so super awesome. That was, it happened so fast, and I've not even went back and looked at the footage yet. I don't know how that turned out, just because of how chaotic and quick. We've been sitting there for 30 minutes or 45 minutes, and we snuck in after daylight, but the fog is just so thick. And these bucks have been hanging out right here in this area. This one in particular, with a little forky spike looking thing. And apparently most of them were in here this morning. There was another 8-point with him, because there's been 4 8-points that we're watching. And she couldn't get a shot at the top one, and we were trying to get on it to begin with. And then he comes out even closer. Well, I'm pointing down there, he dropped right here. But she had to react so quick. And old dad saying, move, get on him, get on that one, can you see him? And one shot and dropped him, made an excellent shot. Kind of quartering away, shot went in this way and came out the front. So he just dropped like a sack of potatoes. But this is a super great buck. How do you feel, babe?
Good.
Was that pretty cool? I mean, was that as cool as last year? This is a better buck than the one you got last year.
Yeah.
Were you getting kind of worried that it wasn't going to happen?
No.
No. She's pretty chill, like all the time, even killed. So it's hard to get her worked up, and that pays off in situations like this, because man, it happened just like that, and she had to think fast, and she did. She made a great shot on a great buck. That's an old Remington 700 in a 7x57 Mauser, similar to the 7mm 08. Similar to it. So it's a good gun, low recoil, very light rifle. Baby, you did a great job. You made a great shot. It's a good looking buck. What do you think?
Cool.
You go help Bubby get one now?
No.
Guys, thanks for checking out Hunt, Shoot, Live. I'm so glad that you guys are able to join me in this and watch my baby girl get her another buck. So proud of her. Check out her other video where she got the one last year. It was a cool little hunt, and so she's upgraded this year. Got her a better one this year. But thanks for watching Hunt, Shoot, Live. Be sure to check us out every week. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and also go to your favorite podcast platform and look up the Hunt, Shoot, Live podcast. As always, God bless. We'll see you next time.
right here, baby. Look. Look at him. Pick him up there. Don't bump my tripod. You need to not touch the tripod. Movement on the tripod causes it to get worse.
Okay.
Lift him up there, sis. Let him see.
No,
you don't want to see the bucks?
You can't lift me. Oh my gosh.
What?
Look at his forehead.
Did you let him hit the ground?
Yes, he hit the ground. That's why he cried so horribly.
Get him, sis.
Oh no, I see it.
That's a good one, ain't it?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Don't bump my tripod. Don't bump my tripod. That is a good buck. Careful, buddy.